My name is Dawud Walid. I'm the Executive Director of the Council on American Islamic Relations, Michigan chapter. And I want to just make some comments in regards to the community and some things that are going on right now, and as it pertains to your closed door meeting that you're having very shortly. So there's about 3,000 to 4,000 Muslims that live in the city of Troy. You have 53 houses of worship. There's not a single mosque in your city. I drive by here, I do business, I have friends here. This is also the holy month of Ramadan, which is the most holy month on the Islamic calendar. Similarly, this is a very holy time for Jews and Christians. In 2008, the Adam Community Center, which I know people who are involved in it quite well and very personally, filed a lawsuit against the city of Troy in relationship to Aralupa. I'm sure you all know what that acronym means. The DOJ followed up the following year and filed suit that the religious rights of the American Muslim community, in particular the citizens of Troy who are Muslims, was not being properly respected according to federal law. Less than a month ago, Judge Edmonds in Eastern District Court ruled in favor of the United States, meaning the United States Department of Justice, that indeed Troy had violated the rights, the religious rights of Adam Community Center. Despite that ruling, Adam and myself as a Muslim can't pray in that building right now. And reason being that despite the city planner saying that if the community wanted to use that building for a banquet hall or commercial usage purposes, they could use it, but yet the city of Troy is not allowing them to just merely have a few people there to say prayers, and during this holy month of Ramadan. So it is my request, as someone who is the leader of the community. I'm also on the Imams Council of Michigan. I'm also on a couple of national Islamic organizations, that when you have your meeting and then the following settlement conference that's taking place in a week, that I hope that we can get this matter settled so that the 3,000 to 4,000 Muslims in Troy aren't suffering any more harm or undue injury, in which they can't even freely worship in the city that they reside in and drive all the way to Sterling Heights or drive to Warren just for Ramadan prayers. So we're hoping that in the final part of Ramadan, in our Eid prayer, that they, as long as myself, can pray here in the city of Troy in a proper Islamic center. So thank you very much for hearing me out.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you coming forward this evening, and I also appreciate that you'll recognize that because of the pending litigation, we're in a difficult position up here to speak on some matters. And I'll take this opportunity to, several hundred people have emailed us over the past couple weeks regarding this issue, and I'll be very frank, I have not responded to those emails for that very reason. I put out a statement early on, because it's a pending legal matter, about my concerns about speaking too much about it, but I don't want the people who emailed, and certainly you this evening, to feel that we're just sitting up here in silence. It is, I'm sure our city attorney would caution us to be very careful, but please know that your comments are heard and deeply heard and understood on as a level, and appreciate you coming forward this evening.